Yeah, so um, I was working all morning, and then in the afternoon, Dina and I, we went to the hospital and we had ourselves checked for COVID-19. It was interesting. So tubes, little feelers stuck up your nose. I felt like sneezing, it sort of tickled. Nothing terrible. She had different feelings. I don't know. She's had a lot of unpleasant experiences with her nose and stuff like that. But anyway, I just found it was tickled. I was afraid of sneezing, and that was about it. So that was very quick and painless, and in a few days I can go online and check my results. So there you go. So that's about it. So I've got my morning done, and I am going to start working on the afternoon. So let's do my morning tracking sheet. AM. No, I'm doing this. I'm going to make, okay, that's there to choose. Is that what I'm doing? Yes, I'm doing this. Today is the 18th. Yes. Wow. One more day. Tomorrow's it. Holy schmokers. So, disease. Yes. Andreas, don't. Andrea. Nope. Let's just go down. Oh dear. Yes. Yes. Oh, delete. Yes. 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 That's it. Okay. Close them up. Can we just disappear that? There we go. Okay, now we're doing the afternoon. So, what is it? 5:40. Okay, so I'm not going to get done before supper. Okay. I haven't worn a hat all day. It's really warm. It's right now in the shade. It is 27, 28. In the sun, it was over 30 all day long. But I haven't sat out because I've been trying to get this bloody class done with so that it can be shipped off and I can be done with it for the rest of the summer. Yeah. Everybody is doing all sorts of victory dances in there, and we're constantly messaging each other going, yes, can't believe it's one more day, and people dancing, people jumping with joy. I guess we're all happy that it's the end of the year. I'm going to give my students one more task tomorrow, and that is Father's Day. Okay, because this is Father's Day weekend, so might as well give them something relevant that they will be able to use. Not a big deal. And then I can enjoy the summer. I'm going to enjoy this summer. I'm going to read all summer. I'm going to try and avoid doing too much work. Trying to avoid feeling guilty around my sister-in-law who really likes working outdoors, and I don't. So I have to stay the course. You're off. You worked all year long. Relax. Enjoy your gazebo. Anyway, We went shopping after came home from the hospital. After we left the hospital, got a few things. And came home, and I'm gotta get back to work.